what is the most important first thing I should do in setting up my small business? So you just now started a small business. What's the very first thing that you should do? Now, I can think of a ton of things that you need to do. Certainly you need to think in terms of what entity form you should choose. Should you be a corporation? Should you just operate as a sole proprietorship? That's obviously an important point. But I would tell you the most important thing you can do today for your small business is open a separate bank account. Okay? If you don't have a separate business bank account yet, when the webinar is over, when our question and answer sessions is over, as soon as the bank's open tomorrow morning, go into the bank and open a bank account just for your business. And from the minute you open that bank account, never mix personal and business. All the money that you make from your business goes into that bank account. Everything that you pay comes out of that bank account. Very, very important. Keeps you focused on the accounting records. You'll always have all your information in one place. If something happens to all your business accounting records, the bank will have a complete digital copy of everything you've done in that business in one place. If you ever get asked by the IRS to support any of the information on your tax return, it is critical that you have that business bank statement. Because if you walk into the IRS office and he asks you the question, and they always will, can I see your business bank statements? If you can show them 12 monthly reconciled business bank statements and say these are my business accounts, then the presumption is everything in that bank statement is business. Now they have to show something that's not business. If you walk in there with just one bank account that's personal and business, you've got orange highlighters and pink highlighters and you write stuff in the margins and all that kind of stuff, it just looks messy. And the presumption is that everything in those bank statements is personal. Now you have to show what's business. It's a dramatic difference in that support of the information on your tax return. So it's my concerted opinion that if you did nothing else in starting your business, going down to the bank and opening a separate bank account for that business is the most critical long-term thing you can do. Now, I don't mean that's more critical than getting new customers and making money and developing your idea. Of course you need to do those things. But in managing the back office and managing your taxes, the most important thing you can do is open that business bank account. So go make sure you go do that.